medicinally important commercial fruit crop can be grown as an intercrop in the interspaces of coconut, especially curing of cancer. And also its fruit is very costlier. A kg may be cost about 250 to 300 rupees. This fruit crop is calling as a Lakshmanapalla, belongs to the family of Sitapala, Rampala and Manpala. So it is bears a very delicious fruit which is rich in antioxidant capacity, so which reduces extent of cancer. Growing up this crop, grafted plants also coming. So for giving spacing, we have to give 15 feet by 15 feet spacing, row to row and plant to plant. So after 2 to 3 years, it starts bearing, flowering and fruiting. It is also one of the important medicinally important fruit crop. So we can recommend it as one of the intercrop in the interspaces of coconut.